Again, 4,500.
Hit me with that bounce, baby. Come on.
What up, guys? Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate that. So I've been on YouTube trying to see if anything hasn't been talked about, and I did find one thing. So I haven't seen any videos done on a Mustang Ecoboost automatic, how to make your car pop, like your exhaust like pop or like crackles, burp. So I haven't seen anybody do a video on those, so I'm here today to make a video on that, on how to make your car pop or your exhaust pop or burble and crackles on a Mustang Ecoboost automatic. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about it and I'm gonna demonstrate on how to do it. So to make your car pop, you don't need a tune for it. I've done it without a tune and it sounds good. The only thing I'm not sure is if, because I'm straight pipe, I don't have a catalytic converter on my downpipe. I just took it off. It's just a straight downpipe. So I'm not sure if maybe it won't do the pops, because there's a big old circle, like a honeycomb inside the catalytic converter. So I'm not sure if that will stop it from doing it if you have a catalytic converter. If not, then we're all good. So how do you do it? So first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna put your car on sport mode. You're gonna use the shifting paddles. I haven't really done it with drive mode, just like regular drive mode. I haven't done it, and I don't think it'll work with the pops like that. I usually do it with the sport mode. So and then you're using the shifting paddles. So first thing you're gonna do is put your gear on sport mode. You're gonna hit the left one first with your shifting paddle. That's gonna be on your first. That's gonna be your first gear. All right. So once you're there, you can do your crackles, your pops on first gear, or you can do them in second gear or third. But I usually do them. I like to do them on one or on second. But I usually do on second gear. That sounds better. So once you're on first gear, you're gonna drop up to 4,000 RPM. If you're on second gear, you could go up to 4,500. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let go of the gas. You're gonna step firmly, like tap. So you're gonna let go of the gas. It's gonna be at 4,500. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap the gas. Just step on it and just like tap it. All you gotta do, I'm gonna demonstrate you guys right now. So all you have to do, just tap it, and then when you're at 4,500, just keep tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. So don't press the gas all the way down, because it won't really do anything. You just gotta tap it, tap it, tap it. Not hard, but just like firmly. Just keep tapping like that, and then you should hear some pops and crackles. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna demonstrate on the gas, stepping on the gas, to show you guys how you should do it when you're at the 4,000 or 4,500 RPMs. So when you're at 4,500, you're gonna be like stepping at 4,500. You're gonna let go, and then also what you're gonna do is don't step on it like that hard, because it won't really do anything. It'll just move. So what you want to do is, while you're at 4,500 RPM, you want to just go down. There you go. Go down, stop. Go down, stop. Or you could just go like count to 3 or 4, but like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should do some pops. Or if you just want to do the 1, 2, you could just go 1, 2, and it'll do some pops. But if you want to do more, like a couple more pops, or just remember, don't push all the way down, because they won't really do no pop. You just go faster. So just like I said, all you have to do is just tap it, like slowly, not that hard, like just do slowly. Go like 1, 2, or you could just like hold it down and just keep moving up and down. That will do some pops too. That's how I do it sometimes too. Like just put it in the middle, just go up, down, up, down, like that. If you do it like a couple, like 5 times, you'll hear some pops for sure. Alright guys, so I'm at first gear, and I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds when you're at 4,500. Let me do the 4,000 first. On first gear. Like I said, remember, tap on it. So here it goes, 4,000. Again, 4,000. like a little bit. It wasn't that bad. Alright guys, so I'm still at the first gear. I'm gonna do 4,500 now on first gear. That sounds way better. Again, 4,500.
Jesus Christ.
See guys, so I think it sounds way better when you have 4,500 RPM. Alright, so now I'm gonna do second gear to 4,000 RPM. Ready? Let me get up to 4,000. Here goes. Doesn't really sound that much. 4,000. I mean, there's something, but it wasn't that bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna do 4,500 on second gear. Here goes. That sounded pretty cool. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do one more time on second gear to 4,500 RPM. Here goes. And that is how you do your pops with an automatic. If you guys don't believe me, look at that. Automatic sport.
Put that thing in sports.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video. If you're not subscribed, then bro, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and I'm bringing a lot of new content, so stay posted, and I will see you guys again very soon. Wow.